Having problems with a USB device, such as a flash drive, keyboard, mouse, or external hard drive, the USB driver could be causing the issue. In this guide, I'll show you how to update USB drivers using Device Manager. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. Once it opens, look for Universal Serial Bus Controllers and expand the category. You'll see several USB-related entries here, including USB controllers and hubs. If you're troubleshooting a specific device, look for a warning icon or an entry that appears after connecting the device. Right-click the relevant USB device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for a compatible driver and install it when available. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Also check Optional Updates for available driver updates. If the USB problem continues, you can reinstall the driver. Right-click the affected device, select Uninstall Device, confirm the removal, and restart your computer. Windows may automatically reinstall the required driver. If Windows doesn't fix the issue, visit your computer or USB hardware manufacturer's official website. Find your exact model and download the correct chipset or USB driver for your Windows version. After updating or reinstalling the driver, reconnect your USB device and test it. You can also try another USB port to rule out a port problem. Yeah, this quick check can save you a lot of troubleshooting time, and that's how to update USB drivers in Device Manager. Start with the automatic search, check Windows Update, and reinstall the driver if needed. So if the problem continues, test another port and check the manufacturer's official driver.